PHP variables. Variables are containers for storing information. Declaring PHP variables. In PHP, a variable starts with the $, followed by the name of the variable. For example, PHP $txt equals hello world, $x equals 5, $y equals 10.5. After the execution of the statements above, the variable $txt will hold the value hello world. The variable $x will hold the value 5, and the variable $y will hold the value 10.5. Note, when you assign a text value to a variable, put quotes around the value. Note, unlike other programming languages, PHP has no command for declaring a variable. It is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Think of variables as containers for storing data. Output variables. The PHP echo statement is often used to output data to the screen. The following example will show how to output text and a variable. For example, this is a first example. PHP $txt equals easy way learning. Echo I love $txt. Try it yourself. The following example will produce the same output as the example above. This is a second example. PHP $txt equals easy way. Echo I love $txt. Try it yourself. The following example will output the sum of two variables. This is a third example. PHP $x equals 5, $y equals 4. Echo $x plus $I. Try it yourself. Note, you will learn more about the echo statement and how to output data to the screen in the next chapter. PHP is a loosely typed language. In the example above, notice that we did not have to tell PHP which data type the variable is. PHP automatically associates a data type to the variable, depending on its value. Since the data types are not set in a strict sense, you can do things like adding a string to an integer without causing an error. In PHP 7, type declarations were added. This gives an option to specify the data type expected when declaring a function, and by enabling the strict requirement, it will throw a fatal error on a type mismatch. You will learn more about strict and non-strict requirements and data type declarations in the PHP functions chapter. Global and local scope. A variable declared outside a function has a global scope and can only be accessed outside a function. For example, first one is example. Variable with global scope. PHP $x equals 5 / global scope. Function mytest. / using x inside this function will generate an error. Echo variable x inside function is $/ mytest. Echo variable x outside function is $/. Try it yourself in PC. A variable declared within a function has a local scope and can only be accessed within that function. Second one is example. Variable with local scope. PHP function mytest. $x equals 5 / local scope. Echo variable x inside function is $/ mytest. / using x outside the function will generate an error. Echo variable x outside function is $/. Try it yourself in PC. You can have local variables with the same name in different functions, because local variables are only recognized by the function in which they are declared. PHP the global keyword. The global keyword is used to access a global variable from within a function. To do this, use the global keyword before the variables inside the function. Example. PHP $x equals 5, $y equals 10. Function mytest. Global $x, $i. $y equals $x plus $i. Mytest. Echo $i / outputs 15. Try it yourself in your PC. PHP also stores all global variables in an array called $globals index. The index holds the name of the variable. This array is also accessible from within functions and can be used to update global variables directly. The example above can be rewritten like this. For example, PHP $x equals 5, $y equals 10, function mytest $globals I equals $globals plus $globals I, mytest echo $I / outputs 15. Try it yourself in your PC. PHP, the static keyword. Normally, when a function is completed / executed, all of its variables are deleted. However, sometimes we want a local variable not to be deleted. We need it for a further job. To do this, use the static keyword when you first declare the variable. For example, PHP function mytest static $x equals 0, echo $, $plus plus, mytest, mytest, mytest. Try it yourself in your PC. Then, each time the function is called, that variable will still have the information it contained from the last time the function was called. Note, the variable is still local to the function. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and share with friends.